Hi little friends. Today we're going on an ABC animal adventure.
Every letter has a special animal waiting to meet you. Let's go.
Is for alligator.
Look, he's swimming in the river. Can you splash your hands like water?
B is for bear.
Oh no, he's searching for honey in the forest. Can you tiptoe like him?
C is for cat.
Here's a curious little cat. Can you creep quietly like a cat?
D is for dog.
A happy puppy is wagging its tail. Wag yours too.
E is for elephant.
A big, gray elephant is stomping through the jungle. Can you stomp with him?
F is for fox.
A clever fox is sneaking through the trees. Tiptoe, tiptoe.
G is for giraffe.
Look at the tall giraffe stretching to eat leaves. Can you reach high like him?
H is for hippo.
The hippo splashes in the pond. Splash your arms too.
I is for iguana.
A green iguana is climbing a tree. Can you stretch like it?
J is for jaguar.
The jaguar runs fast across the jungle. Can you run in place?
K is for kangaroo.
The kangaroo is hopping in the meadow. Hop, hop, hop.
L is for lion.
The lion is roaring loudly in the savanna. Roar with me.
M is for monkey.
Two playful monkeys swing from the trees. Swing, swing.
N is for narwhal.
A narwhal swims in the icy sea. Swim with your arms.
O is for owl.
The wise owl flies at night. Flap your wings like the owl.
P is for penguin.
Penguins waddle on the ice. Waddle with them.
Q is for quail.
A tiny quail pecks around the garden. Peck, peck, peck.
R is for rabbit.
A fluffy rabbit hops around. Hop, hop, hop.
S is for snake.
A long snake slithers silently. Slither on the floor like him.
T is for tiger.
A striped tiger prowls through the jungle. Tiptoe like a tiger.
U is for unicorn.
A magical unicorn gallops in a rainbow meadow. Gallop with me.
V is for vulture.
A vulture soars high in the sky. Spread your arms and fly.
W is for whale.
A giant whale splashes in the ocean. Splash your hands too.
X is for X-ray fish.
A tiny X-ray fish glides through water. Swim like it.
Y is for yak.
The yak walks steadily through the mountains. Stomp with me.
Z is for zebra.
A zebra runs across the plains. Gallop in place with stripes like him.
Wow, we met so many amazing animals today. From alligator to zebra, each letter had a friend.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures with animals and ABCs. Bye.